In this GlowShift gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift 7 Color Series transmission temperature gauge into your 1999 to 2003 7.3 liter Ford Super Duty. For the purpose of this video, we will install a black 7 Color Series transmission temperature gauge into a 2000 Ford F-250 7.3 liter Powerstroke. We'll install the transmission temperature sensor by threading it directly into the transmission test port on the driver's side of the truck. The gauge will be powered using expandable circuits and mounted using a factory-fitted single gauge steering column pod. Additional pods can be purchased on our website. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Before beginning work on the truck, ensure that the engine is cool and disconnect both negative battery terminals using a 13mm wrench. Prepare the transmission temperature sensor for installation by wrapping its threads with Teflon tape. Next, locate the transmission test port on the driver's side of the vehicle and remove the plug using an 11mm deep socket. Be sure to use a drain pan to catch any fluid that may drain from the transmission. Thread the temperature sensor into the test port and tighten using a 14mm wrench. To connect the sensor to the wiring harness, you will need to extend the wires to reach the inside of the vehicle using 18-gauge automotive wire. Attach the included long rubber cover and the female crimp connector to a piece of green 18-gauge automotive wire. Attach the short rubber cover and the male crimp connector to a piece of black 18-gauge automotive wire. Connect the green extension to the white wire from the sensor and slide the rubber cover over the connection. Connect the black extension to the black wire from the sensor and slide the rubber cover over its connection. Feed the wires into the engine bay and secure any loose wires with zip ties. Be sure to steer clear of any moving parts or areas that may generate heat. Route the wires to an opening in the firewall on the driver's side of the engine bay and be sure to use a grommet to protect the wires. To be able to test for power, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove the kick panel from the driver's side footwell to access the fuse panel. Remove the headlight switch panel from the dash and locate the red wire with a yellow tracer. Using a test light, confirm that the wire receives 12-volt power when the headlights are turned on. For this installation, we will splice into the headlight switch wire using a wire tap and connect it to the gauge power harness using a piece of orange 18-gauge automotive wire. Crimp the wire tap to the headlight switch wire and feed the orange wire down through the dash. Push the headlight switch panel back into place. Grab the gauge power harness and crimp the orange wires together. For this installation, we will power the gauge using expandable circuits, which can be purchased through our website. The expandable circuits will plug into fuse locations 4 and 19, which will supply the gauge with constant 12-volt power and ignition-switched 12-volt power. Attach expandable circuits to the yellow and red wires of the gauge power harness. Attach a ring terminal to the black wire. Remove the fuse from location 4 and place it in the expandable circuit connected to the yellow wire. Plug the circuit into fuse location 4. Remove the fuse from location 19 and place it in the expandable circuit connected to the red wire. Plug the circuit into fuse location 19. Finally, connect the black wire of the gauge power harness to a reliable grounding source. After connecting the harness to power, pull the green and black sensor wires into the cabin. Connect the green sensor wire to the green wire of the wiring harness using a crimp connector. Attach a ring terminal to the black sensor wire and secure it to a reliable grounding source. With all connections secure, carefully route the wiring harness up the steering column and through the back of the gauge pod. Plug the harness into the back of the gauge and slide the gauge into the pod. Clean up any loose wires, reinstall the kick panel, and be sure to refill your transmission fluid to the manufacturer specifications. Finally, turn the vehicle on and test your gauge for full functionality. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift 7-Color Series transmission temperature gauge into a 1999 to 2003 7.3-liter Ford Super Duty. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.